The first 3 months of this year were some of the most volatile in all of history, as trade policy fluctuated in ways that were unprecedented. And with so much metaphorical dust in the air, the question becomes one of, what does the rest of this year look like for construction? Hello and welcome. I'm Michael Guckes, Chief Economist at Construct Connect, welcoming you to the May 2025 edition of the Construction Economy Brief. One of the best tools we have for tracking conditions in the industry is our starts data. And thanks to our content team, we're tracking over 400,000 projects at any given time. From that data, we saw a very soft start to the year. January data showed total construction start spending down 25%. It was down over 30% for non-residential buildings specifically. As we moved through February, conditions improved only modestly, and it wasn't until we saw a surge of civil construction spending in March that conditions overall really started to move higher. What we saw at the end of March was total construction was still down, but only 13% now. Civil construction is up almost 11% year to date. And so we are seeing improvements in conditions, and not just in civil construction, but in other areas too, like data centers. We believe that the smart firms out there are going to be able to use our subcategory data along with our geographical data to find the best pockets of opportunity in 2025. Switching gears, when we look at the project stress index, one of the things we'll see right now at a reading of 114 is that the overall reading isn't so difficult as much as it is the abandonment reading, which is near 140, indicating that stress conditions is about 40% higher than it was in our base year, which is 2021. I think what we're seeing now in 2025 is just general volatility and uncertainty around trade and what's going to happen with international production and domestic production having a big impact on what construction firms think is going to happen. So to answer the question, what is the state of construction right now? Well, the answer seems fairly certain that we're digging ourselves out of a difficult hole from the beginning of this year. We continue to see and expect strength in civil construction, along with other targeted areas like data centers, which continue to grow rapidly. We believe that there are going to be pockets of opportunity across multiple subcategories this year, as you can see in our industry snapshot reports. But we also expect that geography will play an important role as well. So it's important to keep a sharp eye there. That's the blueprint for this month. Thank you for your time. If you want to learn more, visit us at constructconnect.com/economic-resources and follow me on LinkedIn.